Hello, my lovely and super smart SIS kids. I miss all of you so much. Now, let's gather to have some fun and remember what we learned in English. Let's remember the letter S and its sound S. The letter A and its sound A. The letter T and its sound T. Are you ready? Let's start. The letter S. And what's the sound of the letter S? Super! It's S. The letter is S. The sound is S. 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 Now let's wave our hands and pretend like it's a snake and say S. S. Let's remember how to write the sound S. We go to the left, make a round, and then slide down to the right and make another round. Again, left, round, slide down to the right and make another round. For the last time, round, slide to the right and another round. Excellent. Now, let's remember words that start with the sound S. And I want you to say with me, smile, sad, sun, sunflower, stand, and sit, snake, snail, spider, seal, strawberry, sandwich, star, square, and we have two numbers that start with the sound S. 6, 7, 6, 7, and slide, socks, scissors, swim. And where do we go to swim? In the sea. And I will see you soon at school. Superstars, KG1. Super, super, super. Now let's move on to the next letter. It's the letter A. And what's the sound of the letter A? Excellent. A. The letter is A. The sound is A. A. Now wiggle your fingers on your arm and say A, 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 A. And now let's remember how to write the sound A. We go to the left, making a round, up, down on the same line and make a short tail. Again, left, round, up, down on the same line and a short tail. For the last time, we go to the left, make a round, up, up, down on the same line and make a short tail. A. And now let's remember the words. A, apple. A, avocado. A, angry. A, ant. A, alligator. A, arrow. And a, anchor. A, ambulance. A, axe. A, astronaut. Amazing, KG1. Amazing. Super boys and girls. And now the letter T. And its sound T. The letter is T. The sound is T. T. Now, let's pretend like we are watching a tennis match. And move your head from side to side, saying T, T, T. And now, let's remember how to write the sound T. It's very super easy. We go down, short tail, and cross. Again, down, short tail, cross. Last time, down, short tail, cross. And now the words. T, tennis. Don't forget to say with me. T, toys. T, teddy bear. Toot toot. T, train. T, truck. T, tiger. Roar. T, turtle. T, tomato. T, tree. T, teeth. T, toes. T, television. T, telephone. T, table. T, two. Two. And number 10. T, 10. And the shape T, triangle. T, triangle. T, t, terrific. Now we finished. Thank you, KG1. I hope you're healthy, I hope you're happy, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you all very much. I love you all. Bye bye.